Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review at EOS Vanilla Mint Lip Balm. Come on, focus. There we go. So yeah, the website down here, link would be down there in the description. Just scroll down and click on the link and it'll take you right to the website. Come on. Well, it says made in America. I don't know why the camera's not really want to focus. Probably because it's too much on this little pink strip. Because I know sometimes cameras on certain colors, it just won't focus in. Like on this pink, sometimes on like red and blues, and then on glow in the dark stuff, cameras just don't really pick up that good of any item that glows in the dark. So I don't really know why. Come on, try and get to the ingredients list here. There we go. That's the best that the camera's gonna put it up for all the ingredients on here. So hopefully you can see it. Pause the video to read them. If not, it should at least have it down there on the website. It's made in the USA, which is pretty great. So yeah, let's open it up and see if the actual thing is actually great or not. Nice little A design. Well, at least that's kind of what they look like to me. Somewhat of a egg. And with this, they look more like an Easter egg. Yeah. They got kind of a little Easter egg theme going on. Kind of a flat bottom that says EOS on there. Again, EOS on top. And a little cutout. Don't know why they had a little cutout. Because, I mean, even if it was a complete, rounded, you still could, open it up. I guess maybe to put your thumbs on there to turn it, but oh well. So yeah, you just twist it. There's the actual product right there. Now the smell of it, I do get vanilla mint. But for some strange reason, I'm kind of getting a very, very light chocolate mint to it. Not really too much of a vanilla flavor, more of a chocolate mint instead of a vanilla mint. Because I mean, clearly right here on the page it says vanilla mint. And yeah, I'm getting a chocolate mint. Almost like was that Palmer's brand? Let me go grab one. It's almost like this brand. The Palmer's one, the cocoa butter. This is, the original one, but the one that I usually love that's, pretty awesome, it's like the dark mint chocolate one. And that's what it reminds me of. This brand, this style of tube for lip balm, the cocoa butter, but the, the mint chocolate one, or chocolate mint. I can't even remember the name because, yeah, that's how much I use it. I actually wore away the actual name from this. But it reminds me of this. But, this brand, the scent does. Because it's very strange. It says vanilla mint. I'm not smelling any vanilla, I'm smelling the mint. But I'm also smelling like some chocolate, which is, completely weird, but yeah. So yeah. I just found that it's kind of weird that it smells like, this one from this brand instead of the actual vanilla. But yeah, let's see how it works. Not that great. I mean, trying to apply it to my lips, it's not that great of a formula that they use. It's very dry and hard. It's like, you know those glue sticks that you had when you were a kid? That you take those like little glue sticks, take the caps off, twist them up. Sometimes, well, I think nowadays they got them, they're like purple, that you rub them on and then they dry to a clear type of thing. That's what this reminds me of. Where it's like hard, like you gotta put it on the paper and then you gotta push it on just to stand another piece of paper on there or something. They need to work on their formula of when they make them these. Because I mean, a lot of these lip balms are just horrible. I mean, the design, like how this one's kind of designed like Easter eggs and stuff, it's pretty cool and unique, but when it comes to like these flavored scents and stuff, like vanilla mint and mocha swirl and stuff, they just BSing you and stuff. It's like on the caramel one that is on the channel here that I just did a review on, they said that it was oatmeal, blueberry, raspberry, and blackberry. It was like a mixed berry one. Now, they said the scent, and the scent was dead on, or what they said on the page. But when I look in the ingredients, there's no mention of any of it. Just a mention of oatmeal, but nothing on the berries. Nothing on the berries, and they call it oatmeal mixed berry. Yeah, so you can see how well, what I've noticed, a good majority of these lip balm companies are BSing their customers on the flavors, on the mention of the actual flavor being in the ingredients, on the actual quality of the product, where it's like either too greasy, and it's like, well, I might as well just rub a sip of butter on my lips, because it's too greasy. Or a lot of these where it's so dry that you're like, wow, is this a glue stick? Seriously, did I just go down the school aisle and grab a glue stick? Because, yeah. I mean, with these, the design for the product to look like Easter egg is fantastic, but there's one that's better than this. And that would be this one. Now notice, both of these are kind of like these little egg-shaped designs here. But here's the brands. EOS, horrible, garbage. The scent and flavor is not that great. Trying to apply to your lips, the actual product, horrible. I mean, design for the Easter egg design, yeah, it's okay. But EOS brand, stay away from actually trying to use the product. If you're going to collect it for, Easter egg designs, okay, but this is the one that you actually want. Between these two little egg designs, go with the REViEW, which you can find at Walgreens. REViEW is a Walgreens product. Way better. Just tons better. I mean, yeah, that product definitely looks better, smells better. You could apply it a lot better. Well, this one got a little bit flattened because, I used it. But, yeah. Oh yeah, this one. The Walgreens REViEW, way better than the freaking EOS. EOS is first. Now, can you change the caps? No, you cannot. So if you're like, oh, maybe I could hit like a new color Easter egg. One's got like gold and, I don't know, like this light bluish turquoise, teal kind of white going on. Nope. So just to let you know, if it says EOS, Stay away from it, don't buy it. If it says REViEW and it's from Walgreens, buy it. So, between the two little eggy waggies, this one, I want to hut, I want to throw it at a car, I want to make it into like a Denver omelet, you know, into just what an omelet. This one, if it was a real egg, I would eat it for food, or let it spoil, get to be watching it and hut it, just hot it right at someone that I don't like. No, actually I wouldn't, because, you know, I'll be getting in trouble with the cops if I did that. But you get what I'm saying, you know. Stay the heck away from this one. This one, you see it, buy a couple, it's awesome, it works. So, REViEW from Walgreens is better than the EO one. So yeah, hopefully you learned something between which two is better. Definitely the REViEW from Walgreens instead of this EO Easter egg one. So yeah, remember to rate, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.